So we've learned how to solve simultaneous equation of the linear. Okay. So here we have to apply it. Okay, to solve some wording problem, meaning the application of linear equation of two unknowns. So we are going to do the stage 1 questions here. It is totally 14 questions. I'll do half. Okay, the rest will be the homework. Okay, for you. So let's move. Let's go to the question 2. Okay, let's read the words. Okay, Jack weight X kg and Chris weighs Y kg. Their total weight is 145. If Jack's weight is 15 kg heavier than Chris, set up a simultaneous equation of X and Y. So it's very easy. So read the first sentence. Okay, the total weight is 145, meaning that X plus Y equal to 145. Understand this? So the next one, Jack is 50 kg heavier than Chris, meaning that you can do what? Jack X, okay, minus 15 will be equal to Y, or you can do Y plus 15 equal to X. They're the same. So next you have to solve this. Okay, how to solve? You have to move all the unknowns to one side. I mean, you have to simplify those equations before you do anything. Understand? So X plus Y equal to 145, and then this will be X minus Y equal to positive 50. Understand this? So you can solve this simultaneous equation any method you like. So I will do equation 1 equal to equation 2. Of course here Y and minus Y, right? I will do 1 plus 2. Then you have X plus X2X, Y cancelled, and then this one will be 160, and then X equal to 80. Understand? Next you have to calculate Y. Okay, you have to do sub X equal to 80 into 1, then 80 plus 1 equal to 145, and then do this, Y equal to 65. Understand? This is actually part A, and then this is actually part B. You solve X and Y. So you make conclusion. Understand? So it's quite easy. Let's move on. Let's go to question 4. Question 4. Read the words. The heights of Jessica and Winnie are X and Y cm. Okay. Jessica's height is 5/4 of Winnie. You have this, and then if Jessica is 55 taller than Winnie, find X and Y. So it's a little bit complicated, but you have to form, okay, those equations. So for the first one, Jessica's height is 5/4 of Winnie. So Winnie is Y, right? 5/4 of Winnie, meaning that 5/4 of Y, understand? Will be equal to X. Understand? And then the next, Jessica is 35 cm taller than Winnie, meaning that you can use Jessica's height minus 55 will be equal to Y. Understand? Or you do Y plus 55 equal to 35 equal to X. Understand? Up to you. So next you have to simplify. Understand? Simplify. So we hate these 4, right? We do a times 4. Okay. And then this, we move all the unknown to one side. Don't give a name first. Is it okay for this? So next, you move this 4x to this side. You put it first in front. Okay. Understand this? So you can do your solving. I will always use elimination. Okay. I don't like substitution. So 2, I can times up 4, right? You can 2 times 4. gives you 4x minus 4y equal to, this would be 140. Equation 3 is okay. So you do 1 plus 3, 4x cancel, and then this will be y, and then equal to 140. I think you understand this. So you have to calculate y, right? No, x, right? You choose equation 2 because it's simpler. So you sub y equal to 140 into 2. You gives y equal to x minus 140 equal to 35. Understand this? You have to calculate x. $175. Understand? So make conclusion. So I think you understand. Let's keep moving. Go to 6. Question 6. So there are X boys and Y girls in a tutorial class. The number of boys is 6 more than the number of girls. You understand this? And if there are 24 students in a class, so in total, find out X and Y. So you have two cases, right? The first one is boys 6 more than girls. So you do the what? You do the boys minus 6 equal to girl. Or you do girl plus 6 equal to boy. Understand? And next, 24 students in total. So X plus Y equal to 24. Understand? So next, we arrange all the terms first. Understand? Then you give names. So actually you see a minus Y and positive Y, right? You do 1 plus 2. Understand? 2x, Y cancel, and then equal to 30, and then X equal to 15. Is it okay? So next you have to find out Y. You sub X equal to 15 into, you can choose 1 actually, because something equal to Y, right? You can write Y equal to 15 minus 6 is actually 9. Understand? So give some conclusion. Understand? So let's keep moving. Is it okay? So keep moving. Go to number 8. Number 8. Question 8. Read the questions. In a supermarket, the price of a bottle of lemon tea is X, and the price of a bottle of what is that? Oolong, okay? Oolong is Y. And then the total price of 3 bottles of lemon tea equal to the total price of 2 bottles of oolong tea. So the total price of 3 bottles of lemon tea and 4 bottles of oolong tea is 72. Find X and Y. So it's a little bit complicated. No, don't be afraid, okay? So first, 3 bottles of lemon tea, the total price, right? So how to calculate total price? It's actually 3x, understand? And then equal to what? 2y, understand? And then the next, 3 bottles of lemon tea and 4 bottles of oolong tea will be totally 72, right? So it will be 3x plus 4y equal to 72, understand? So next, move the terms. 3x plus 4y, 72. Give names. So you see here, minus 3, 3x, 3x, right? You choose 1 times minus 1 or 2 times minus 1 is okay. What you have is minus 3x plus 2y equal to 0. Then this is equation 3, understand? You do a 2 plus 3. What you have? X cancel, and then 6y equal to 72. Divided both sides by 6. It is 12. Understand? It's okay?
Yes.
So you have to find out x. You choose. Let's say put y equal to 12 into 1. 3x minus 2 times 12 equal to 0. 3x, this is actually minus 24, right? Move to the other side. Divide both sides by 3. You get x equal to a. So conclusion, x equal to a, y equal to 12. Okay? So, keep moving. I'll go to number 10. Number 10, read the words. Hazel has X chocolate. Nancy has Y chocolate. The number of chocolate Hazel has is 3 times the number of Nancy. If Hazel gives 5 of her chocolate to Nancy, then they will have the same number of chocolate. So, complicated. We do the first equation. The number of Hazel, of chocolate of Hazel is 3 times Nancy, right? So, what you do? Nancy 3 times. You do 3y, not 3x, understand? And then, if Hazel gives 5 of her chocolate to Nancy, so how many chocolate Hazel has originally? X. If she gives 5 to Nancy, then minus 5. But Nancy will have y plus 5. Understand? They will be equal. So simplify. Move the x to this side, and then y to this side. This 5 move to this side, plus 5, and then 10. Understand? So minus x plus x, you know, doing what? Directly doing a plus. Okay? 1 plus 2. Understand? X cancel, 2y equal to 10, and then y equal to 5. It's okay? So next you have to find out x. So you can choose sub y equal to 5 into 2. You have x minus 5 equal to 10. Then move the 5 to the other side, become positive 5x is 15. So conclusion, x is 15, y is 5. Understand? So next page, we have 2 questions to do. So 12. The present age of Vivian and her mother is X and Y. Okay? The difference between their age is 30. Okay, 2 years later. So for this kind of questions, please mark some stars there. Okay, give 2 stars. It's very important. In solving the simultaneous equation questions, I mean the applications, when the application mentioning the ages, okay, of people, you have to better draw a table like this. Okay. A table like this. Understand? Nice square. Nice squares. Okay. So, what you have to fill in the table, first, you have to fill in the people's name, Vivian and her mother, right? So you can put it, we don't fill anything here, this one. Vivian here, you can use a V to represent Vivian. Her mother, you can use a M, it's okay. So, and next, you have to fill out the time. The time, you have 2 times here. one is present, okay? The other one is 2 years later. So present meaning now, okay? Now. And then 2 years later, you can write here, 2 years later. Is okay? So, Vivian and her mother is what? X and Y respectively. So for this, for here, you can add X and Y, understand? 2 years later, Vivian will become X plus 2, her mother also plus 2, understand? Is it okay?
Yes.
So, we use this table to write the simultaneous equations. So, difference between their ages 30. So, which one minus which one? Now, I mean y minus x, understand? You have to do y minus x equal to 30, understand? It's impossible to do x minus y equal to 30 because her mother is always older than Vivian, understand? So next, 2 years later, okay, Vivian's age is 1/3 of her mother, okay? 2 years later, we look at here, look at this column, okay? Which one? 1/3. This 1/3, okay, equal to this. 1/3, you can do it divided by 3, understand? It's okay? So, next, we rearrange all the terms. We change this, interchange these two terms, make x in front. We times both sides by 3. Do you understand this? Both sides, okay? And then keep copying the first equation. Move the x term here, become minus x, and then plus y. This 6, keep it. Move these 2 to the other side. 6 minus 2 will be 4. Is okay? So, give name now. So, you can choose which one to eliminate. I will eliminate y because simply simply times minus 1. You get a minus y, understand? So, 1 times minus 1. You have x minus y equal to 30, minus 30, okay? Equation 3. So we do a 2 plus 3. You have minus 2, y cancel, minus 2x, y cancel, and then minus 26. X equal to, divided both sides by minus 2, you have 13. It's okay? So you have to find out y also. So I don't have any space here. I would make it here. So you do sub x equal to 13 into 1, okay? You have minus 13 plus y equal to 30, okay? So y equal to 30 plus 13, and then y equal to 43. So make some conclusions. So x equal to 30, y equal to 43, understand? So again, it's very, very important here when the application is mentioning the ages, okay, for 2 people. Now, some years later or some years ago, you have to make use of this table, okay, before you form in this, okay? Otherwise, you easily get wrong. Is it okay? So I will do one last, okay? Let's go to 14. Okay? So look at the figures, okay? One is triangle, the other one is rectangle. The perimeter of the triangle is 30 cm, and then the perimeter of the rectangle is 34. Find x and y is quite easy, I think. Okay? You just form 2 equations. For the perimeter of triangle, you just add up all the sides, understand? Y plus 4, you can give bracket x plus y plus y equal to 30. And then next one. So for the rectangle, because they have the opposite, okay? For the x minus 3, you have 2, so you times 2, plus for the 2y, you also have 2, right? you do this, okay? That will be equal to 34. Understand this? So next, we simplify all the things. For this one here, we don't need a bracket, okay? Actually, x plus 3y, understand? Equal to, so this is positive 4, moved it onto the other side, it become 26, understand? So also this, 2x minus 6 plus 4y equal to 34. So still, one more step to come. Oh, this is 40. Understand this? So after simplify, you get you get this. So we give name. So I'll choose to eliminate the x. Okay. So equation 1 times minus 2. There will be minus 2 plus not plus minus 6y equal to minus 52. That will be equation 3. Understand? So do 2 plus 3. What you have? X eliminate, right? Then y minus 2y equal to minus 12. Divided both sides by minus 2, you got y equal to 6. Y equal to 6. And then you have to calculate the x. Sub y equal to 6 into 1. What you have is x plus 3 times 6 equal to 26. This is 18. And then move the 18 to the other side will become minus. It is 8. Understand? So we do the conclusion. X equal to 8, y equal to 6. And that's all. So for the stage 1 here, I finished half. Okay? So the rest will be your homework. Okay? So